Hello, my name is Matthias. This is the Digital Discovery Assessment for S/4HANA Cloud. Let's get right into it. With the Digital Discovery Assessment, your journey begins right before the whole implementation of S/4HANA Cloud. As you know from the previous videos, there are several steps to implement the solution. But the first step for sure is to evaluate if the business scope that you need meets the requirements that you can fulfill with your S/4HANA Cloud solution. How this works in detail, we'll now see on the next slides. So what is the Digital Discovery Assessment and why you want to use it? Basically, it is a tool-based approach that is used by SAP Presales to show you what the solution of S/4HANA Cloud offers to you, and this is to simplify what you can get out of every release on a current basis with S/4HANA Cloud. You map it against your business scope and you can see what the solution offers to you and where are probably workarounds that you need to define. The second thing is that you can standardize. So the results are visible to everybody who can help you to implement the solution. May it be the SAP service or the partners that implement your S/4HANA Cloud solution. They will see the scope, but also integration scenarios and countries where you want to roll out your solution. And last but not least, it is scalable, as you can use it throughout the whole process of implementing S/4HANA Cloud. As well, if you want later in the process, enhance your solution and broaden your scope, you can go back to the Digital Discovery Assessment, take out your results and run it again with your enhanced scope. So here is an example what you can get out of S/4HANA Cloud Digital Discovery Assessment in terms of your outputs. On the one hand, you can enter both your current IT and business state, your desired future IT and business state, and some boundary conditions. Everything will be captured in nice charts, and it will be easy to add some information that makes it helpful for your implementation partner to make the best out of your solution and have the best possible implementation that fulfills your needs. Let's have a look into the tool. So basically, you start with the integration scenarios that are within the SAP environment and your SAP ecosystem. The second step will be to add further integration scenarios to third-party tools. Capture everything you want so that the implementation partner knows what to calculate in terms of the efforts for integration scenarios. The next step is that you select the countries for your localizations of S/4HANA Cloud. This is especially important if you have your multi-country rollout plan. Make sure that you cover every aspect of the solution that you want to cover in your current and future waves for implementation of S/4HANA Cloud. After this step, the biggest part begins. Now you will select the scope items that relate to the business priorities that you have. You will go through every line of business and select the processes that are gathered in each scope item. You go through with the pre-sales team that answers your questions, and then you will select the scope that you need for your implementation of S/4HANA Cloud. In any case you want to know more about a specific scope item and what's included in it, you may jump directly into the Best Practice Explorer of S/4HANA Cloud. We cover the contents of this in another video that is presented in the channel here. Further, you have the possibility to add questions and comments. Make use of it, as it will help you to clarify on any questions you have within the process of the Digital Discovery Assessment. You can even add other business priorities which are not covered in the Digital Discovery Assessment. In this free form, you can add anything you want which was not covered yet within the process. So as well here, my advice to enter anything that can be helpful for the implementation partner to get knowledge on things that are important for your personal implementation of S/4HANA Cloud. Your individual results of the Digital Discovery Assessment will be summarized with nice and consumable graphics that you can print out as a PDF, and every comment you added within the process will be displayed in the final PDF results. So make sure you share the file with your implementation partner to get out the best of your S/4HANA Cloud implementation. So here's the call to action. Go on the website, register yourself, wait until you get approved, and work with the Digital Discovery Assessment tool. Filling out the tool yourself may be a hard job in the beginning. So my best advice is get in touch with SAP and get your personal workshop for the Digital Discovery Assessment to assess if the solution of S/4HANA Cloud is the best fit for your business priorities. Make sure you read carefully to both priorities and responsibilities on SAP side and on customer side. Be prepared and bring everybody who is important to the first meeting to make sure all business stakeholders are aligned, and within the workshop provide their knowledge on the processes you want to have in the solution. You have any questions? Feel free to contact your implementation partner or SAP Presales to get in touch for any details on the Digital Discovery Assessment or directly to get access to the tool. Thanks for the attention of watching the video on S/4HANA Cloud Digital Discovery Assessment. My name is Matthias from SAP. I'm Customer Engagement Executive for S/4HANA Cloud. Thank you.